Welcome back, guys. Yes, we outside. It's that time of the year. It's racing time. You all guys haven't been seeing anything from me. But don't fear, guys. I've been working really hard behind the scene. You all guys can see the BZ wagon is on the hoist. For those who don't know, it's a Kia SWAT wagon, turbocharged. And if you all guys want to find out anything else about the car, just subscribe to my channel. Follow me on IG. And you all guys can see everything that's going on behind the scene. But for those who follow me on Instagram, you all what I've seen yesterday on my story I post, we have big updates coming for the wagon. And when I say big updates, I think it's a big update. You all guys will tell me soon in this video. But before I jump into any further, guys, we will be looking to compete in the Caribbean Championship that's going on in the 2026, January 2026. So apparently it's a CRDC class. Some Caribbean Championship that's going on throughout the Caribbean. They're taking the top two fastest guys. One guy for the 9-second class and one guy for the 10-second class. I am hoping that we are eligible to compete in the 10-second class. So that being said, we gotta go fast, guys. And honestly, we're looking to go fast. And we believe that we could do it. And we're looking to compete with the best of the best. That's all we say. It's one of the best of the best across the world. And be willing to compete in Jamaica where that is concerned. So without further ado, guys, I'm just going to dive into it, let you all guys know what we are doing, the changes that we are making to the car, and how we are going to go about that. But currently right now, as you all can see, Glenn is there doing something with the car. So I'm going to put this here on hyperlapse mode, let you all guys watch what we are doing, and then after that, I'm going to speak to you again on exactly what the upgrades is. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching and continue watching. Yes, continue watching. Let's go. Alright guys, you all would have just watched us put this video on hyperlapse. You all would have seen that the gearbox is actually out. So yes guys, we are changing the gearbox. We are moving on to some big and better stuff. So let me just do a box review, show you all guys exactly what we are working with. Let's go. Alright, good thing.
First time I know to do a box review. I know to do gender review, so you know if it's a boy or girl.
Alright then. So what's that you got there in your hand, good?
This is the shifter.
What sort of shifter is that you're working with?
Sequential shifter.
Whoa guys, you hear that? Sequential shifter. These on this box looks
So
like.
the public know that I can't hear the paint working on it.
Listen, look, before guys, look, I got the CEO here. He's the real sequential boss, you know. He's the first man with sequential, but yeah, he's a sequential boss, you know. Right, but he can't look at my fridge workshop, you know. He's dealing with all the fridges and stuff. So he in the back there with dealing with the fridge. That one at a time, guys. That one at a time. Don't drop that, please. Don't drop that, bad boy. Alright guys. We're working with sequential here, as you all guys can see. Full complete box. We got shift knob. What is called that? Shift there no again, no Sammy. The strain gauge. We got the strain gauge knob and everything there. We got the gear position sensor.
The barrier snow going on. Those who don't know what strain gauge mean, from the time it senses any type of movement,
Right.
makes the shifting easy.
Nice. Nice. So we can flat shift basically.
You don't know.
So we only need the clutch once.
Once, and that's the move off.
You hear that, guys? From the sequential boss, we only need the clutch once. And that's the move off. From there, it's RPMs.
Everything after that bonus.
It's bonus. Yeah, some sort of temperature sensor. It had a gear position sensor too. I think I saw you show me that earlier. Right, correct. Gear position sensor there. So we good, guys. So basically from here we're gonna lift on this bad boy, get this here back inside, and we cooking with gas. So that's what it is. So you know how bad it could be. I got a sequential here and they got the real sequential boss there next to me. You know what I mean? The CEO, man. Man, so yes guys, it's confirmed.
So this is, you ready?
Yeah.
So this is Mafia Workshop. You know, you got sequential in the back, mechanic, CEO. So this toast is to the first man in second bracket. A fast two-wheel drive front.
A fast front wheel drive.
A fast front wheel drive.
Good.
Right?
And a fast rear wheel drive.
Yeah, that's it there.
Good. So we toasting this here, right, fellas? But remember, look out. April 12th and 13th, the CEO and the Muffin Man, 1st to 6th.
You heard?
You heard? I'm out. Alright guys, just a quick update. Gearbox is back in. As you all know, sequential gearbox is in. The old gearbox is right here on the ground. Take a look at it. That's the old gearbox. Sequential is in. I'm going to show you all guys as far as we get. As I said, this is the old gearbox here. And the sequential is in, guys. Getting this here, putting back up the wastegate, turbo. Robert just came from the speed shop and helped us out with some fabrication that we had to do for this mount here. We had originally we had some washer space in between here and the studs. Robert said no, we're not working with that anymore, so he came by. Well, getting hand is there, so he can't show you currently right now, but the mount usually goes right here. Robert came by and cut it and make a slight welding to it, but he's going to take it home and do it properly because our piece of welder here is not, you know, the best, and we don't want it to break off, so he don't want to take any chances with that. So he said he's going to weld that for us. Fabian also came by, take out the gear position sensor for the gearbox. He's going to set up the wiring to go back to the fuel tech, so he's going to sort that out. The CEO was here, as you all would have seen in the video. Bruce passed by and gave us a shout. So a lot of guys came by and just show some support. We really appreciate it. So we soon wrap up here for the day, guys, but it was a successful day for us here at the garage. Sorry I didn't record as much as I would have liked, but the guys came by, we had a drink, we eat some food, and we talked some crap, and you know, it was a good vibe. So I didn't feel like picking up the camera and doing much recording there. But just to let you all guys know, sequential gearbox is in, as I say, and we're pushing going forward. Next video we can probably start it up, run through the gears. Oh, let me go inside and show you all guys a little bit of the action on the inside as well. We moved the original shifter. You all guys would have known was here. We moved that. Robert said he's gonna put the shifter right here in this area. I sat down in the seat earlier and he do the measurement and everything seems to be fine. So shifter gonna call, you know, he would have just built this lovely shifter here for me for the H pattern, but we're not going to use that anymore. But this one is going to go right here, a piece will hang right here. I got the camera in my hand, so I can't do both at the same time. Let me see if I can show you all guys a little bit. But the kink, anyhow, I can't get to, but this one is going to go right here, and I'll be able to sit down and I'll be pulling the gears the same way. So yes guys, it was a successful day, as I say, and I'm happy. Also happy that, you know, the guys came out and gave me a hand. This is the old shifter here. This will be going in the right car, by the way. Also this gearbox also will be going in the right car. We're going to change the final drive in that, and that will be going in the right car as well. So yes guys, it was a successful day here at 246 Island Auto. I also want to say a big thanks to Robert. You all guys would have known, or who don't know, Robert would have lost his speed shop earlier this month. I think the 1st of March or something, he would have lost the speed shop. It would have been, you know, it burned right down to the ground. he wasn't here at the time, but you know, these things do happen. He's in good spirit. And you know, I just want you all guys to put your all prayers out there for Robert, because he's a very good person. And you know, I won't let that to happen to no one. I have a garage myself, and I don't even know how it would feel to lose my shop, because you know, you put so much into this, decades after decades, into your shop, and then you can see it all goes in a couple of minutes. So you know, Robert is in good spirit. As I say, he's going to come back bigger and better. He is in really good spirit. I'm happy for him, and I'll continue to support him as much as I can. But yes, guys, I'm going to keep you all guys abreast with if they find a product very soon. But good in this here, putting in some work. How things there looking?
Just have looks and wherever, and it should be fine.
Okay, because you don't want the wires too much to the manifold to get burned. Right. So basically, he just tidying up some wires, because we don't want the wires to go too much close to get burned. Because we got a lot of sensors installed now to make sure that we can monitor a lot of stuff. So he's just doing that, and after that, we'll put on the turbo, and pretty much we'll call that a wrap for the day. So yes, guys, as soon as the turbo is back on though, I would probably do another vlog. There you all see, guys, the actual progress. But thanks for watching so far, man. I really appreciate the support, guys. Alright guys, just doing a close-up wrap. Pretty much we are completed with installing the sequential gearbox. The outside part, waiting on the engine mount. We gotta do the inside on Monday. But so far so good. It's so unreal, guys, to know that I got a sequential box in the car. I was not expecting to have this box in the car so soon, but things happen and we get the box in the car. I feel really good because I know that with this box we're going to go really fast. 6 for sure. Don't know how deep into the 6 in the AFML, but I know 6 for sure. But as I say, you know, the car have been making progress all throughout last year. Start off the year good. Sequential gearbox, paint job, so much, guys. And gotta thank God, gotta thank the sponsors, gotta thank everyone for laying a hand. Gotta big up Gooding each and everything, because he's the mechanic behind the scene, making sure that the box and everything in the car is working good. Gotta big up so much people. But you know what, guys, I'm tired and it's time to go home, get some sleep, some rest. But yeah, we got you. Turbo on, plug pin back on, and we pretty much done. Just waiting on Robert to finish up the mount bracket for here. When that's done, do the inside and put it down on 4 wheels, and we could drive it. So the fenders and stuff still off. We want to do a test and tune. I can probably test with the fenders and everything off, just for testing purposes. In case we gotta do any work to the car, we should be able to get the access to anything fast without damaging anything. And then from there we put on the new front, because there's a new front for the car. We got fenders, bumper, a lot of stuff, guys, a lot of stuff. I'm just a little speechless at this point, but car come a long way. And thanks to you all guys for supporting me as well. And yes, anything you want to say, Gooding, before you knock out?
I feel really good for 2025, so that's what I'm hoping.
Okay. Well, you hear it from Gooding. You're looking for positive for 2025. We're definitely going to be doing some traveling this year as well. Keep you all guys updated that, but we're looking to touch a couple of Caribbean countries this year and get this car done, aim for the quarter mile. And as I say, we're looking to be entering the competition for the Jamaican, the CRDC or something. Can't remember the name, don't quote me for it right now. But we are entering the competition for that. So yes, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all guys in the next one. I'm out.